Welcome to our tutorial on submitting and processing your new agent contract. We will walk through your new agent contract packet together to discuss each form. Ensuring your contract paperwork is filled out completely and submitted correctly can get you on your way to submitting new business faster. Here are a few tips to get you appointed quicker. You will receive a packet of required forms that will need to be completed and submitted to your regional director or IMO to review and sign. Make sure all the required forms and necessary signatures are submitted. You must be appointed with AFBA and 5-star before submitting any new business. If you prefer to complete your contract in a fillable PDF, you can request this format from your regional director or IMO. This method helps reduce delays due to unclear handwriting or incomplete sections. Lastly, all agents are appointed through the 5-star life insurance company, regardless of whether you sell AFBA or 5-star products. Your new agent contract packet includes several important forms that need to be reviewed and filled out completely. We will look at each of these in more detail in today's tutorial. Along with these forms, you will also need to attach your state, individual, and agency life license, schedule of commission and hierarchy form. Please note that you can only sell those products listed on your schedule of commission. Your E&O declaration page. This is required for agents selling final expense. Please submit proof of coverage with your new agent packet. For agents selling AFBA products, coverage is not required, but strongly recommended. Your AML training certification, a voided check copy for direct deposit of commissions, and your appointment fee check if the deduction authorization is not signed. Let's begin with the agent data sheet. This is a 2-page form that includes your general information, licensing information, and several agent questions. Section A is the general information and requires your personal information, including your name, social security number, address, and phone number. Even if you're applying as an agency, you must still provide your personal information in this section. Under Section B, licensing information, list the state or states where you would like 5-star to appoint you. Reminder, you must have an active license in any state where an appointment is being requested. Also fill in your license number and license type. If you are requesting a contract and appointment for your agency, fill in the name of the agency, along with the tax ID for the agency in the boxes labeled Agency Name and Agency Tax ID. If you are applying as an individual agent, you do not need to include agency information on your contract. The second page of the agent data sheet asks if you are requesting advance commissions and then contains several agent statements that require a yes or no answer. Be sure to answer all questions. You must sign and date the bottom of the form, and then your regional director will review and sign as well. Please note that although you may request advance commissions, final approval is based upon review of your financial background. The next form is your producer contract and schedule of commission. Begin by filling in your full name in the box provided. It's important to review all sections thoroughly, and then sign and date the third page once you have acknowledged, accepted, and agreed. Your W-9, or Request for Taxpayer Identification Number and Certification, is the next page in your packet. Please fill in all fields completely, including your Social Security number. If applying for an agency contract, please fill in the Agency Tax ID number in the Employer Identification Number box instead of the Social Security number. Under Part 2, review all statements and then certify with your signature and date. The Acknowledgement and Authorization of Consumer Reports authorizes AFBA and 5-star to request consumer reports about you at any time if necessary. The required fields include your name, signature, social security number, driver's license number, and date of birth. Be sure to complete all boxes and sign. We cannot process your new agent contract without this form. The next form is the Anti-Money Laundering Training. By accepting the role of an agent for AFBA and 5-star, you accept the duties and responsibilities to comply with the anti-money laundering policy and procedures. Please review all sections and certify you have read and understand the laws and responsibilities by checking the box, then sign and date in the area provided. Annual anti-money laundering training is required for agents selling products with cash values. The course is administered electronically by 5-Star Life Insurance Company via We Comply. All agents are required to either take the course through our vendor or submit a certificate of completion of an anti-money laundering training course that is acceptable to 5-Star Life. Please note, agents selling term-only products are exempt from the annual requirement. The Ethical Market Conduct Values and Behaviors covers licensing and appointing, general sales practices, replacements, privacy rules, and ethical standards. Once you have read and understand the terms and conditions, please sign and date. If you are interested in the convenience of electronic funds transfer, or EFT, for your commission payments, please fill out the EFT form. Your commissions will then be automatically deposited to your bank or savings account. Your name and bank information are required, as well as your signature and date. A voided check must also be included with your form. The last form of your new agent contracting packet includes your license appointment fees. These fees are automatically deducted from your commission account. Some states do not require a fee, and others may differ if you are a resident or a non-resident of the state. Please review the table for the states for which you are requesting an appointment, and then sign and date the license appointment fee deduction authorization form. Once you have filled out all the forms within your contracting packet, please review your checklist to make sure you have completed all necessary items and have attached the required documents. You will then submit your packet to your regional director or IMO for their review and signature. Please do not submit your contract directly to AFBA and 5-Star. We only accept contracts from regional directors or IMOs. Once your paperwork is received at the AFBA and 5-Star home office, and we verify we have all the necessary information and required signatures, your contract will be processed within 5 to 10 business days. We look forward to working with you. Please contact your regional director or IMO with any questions about submitting and processing your new agent contract. Thank you for your time and for choosing to be appointed with AFBA and 5-Star Life. We look forward to doing business with you, and we are dedicated to you because we care.